Hey, this is Jeff Chastain from MASC by Jeff Chastain. I wanted to talk about how to trim your beard after you use the Kuschelbar for the first time. What happens is your hair's not used to being straight and it's not cut so that it's straightened out and then shaped up. So you'll notice the very first time you use your Kuschelbar, you'll have a lot of kind of scraggly ends that are all different lengths. What you can do is after you straighten it, go through and then just kind of skin the ends off and reshape it so that everything looks more uniform. I haven't trimmed my beard in about a week, so it's starting to get a little bit unruly. So what I did was I straightened it out already. That way you could see kind of all the ends that want to fly away. And then what I'm going to do is go through and then just kind of clean up the outline so you can see how much better it looks if you trim your beard after it's straightened instead of trimming it before. So on the right side, you can see, since I haven't trimmed it in a little bit, I have all these kind of jagged ends here. So I'm just taking scissors and just freehanding it here. And just putting a good outline back in it. You can also use electric trimmers if it's easier for you. For me, I like to use the scissors because it gives me a little room for air if I need it. But you can see now that I did this side and not this side, this is like much cleaner and crisper and looks better straight. So now I'll do this side. And I'm not cutting off very much at all, just kind of the odd ends out here so that it just looks all pulled together. And then once I do that, I'll take just a little more paste, the Glory Hold Hair and Beard Sculpting Paste, and I will just brush it through so it stays. But you can see that outline looks so much nicer now that it was straightened and then trimmed. So you can use a Kuschelbar before you go to your barber. Straighten it out, that way they have like a nice canvas to work with, and then have them just kind of lightly shape it up for you. That way you can keep as much length as possible, but also keep it as solid as possible at the end so it doesn't get too stringy and wispy. You can shoot me a DM if you have any questions about your beard. Send me a photo and I can tell you some good honest opinions on how to straighten it and trim it. Have a good day, thanks.